Hello, birthday boy. Char.
Good evening, ma'am and sir. Welcome home to Sydney Resort and Spa, Tagaytay.
Sabi ko na eh. Sige pa naman, sir. Ganda. Ay, start na kagad yung spa-spa, no?
Put-bat po tayo, ma'am, ano po, before check-in po.
Ah, wow.
Sige, ma'am, have a seat po.
Okay.
Surprise! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julius. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po, sir.
Thank you.
Di po, sir, make a wish po and blow your candle po. Happy birthday po, sir!
Close lang po natin to, then long press lang po tayo dito.
Tapos sa ano na yan?
Yes po, dito po yung tasa natin, nakalagay po dito. Okay po, then may tea po tayo dyan, ma'am, tsaka instant coffee. May creamer and sugar din naman po siya. Pwede rin naman po tayo mag-init dito.
Okay.
Okay po.
Thank you. Wow. Hi, Dad. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Birthday ka na? Totoo ba yan? Ang pasalubong sa kids. Ang daming anik-anik ano. Andy drinks, Andy coffee, and tea. So nice. Dear Che and Julius, welcome home. What's this? What about Trump? We have our personal pool here. It's our private pool. Naku, si Putchot kong kasama kahit gabi, magsiswimming yan. So nice in here. Nice. My favorite. Oilless fries. Ay, may dessert na rin. Ay, pati ito. The Wagyu salpikaw. Bon appetit, birthday boy. True. Powder. And spa treatment. Wow. Wow. Asin mo. Nice. Our room. The pool beside our room.
Lamig.
Lamig. sa akin okay lang. Okay, sanay kasi ako mag-swimming sa ano eh, kahit malamig eh. Clear service cup, dessert. Delicious. Pero mas maliwanag eh. Kalat na lang. Mas kita mo yung ganda niya sa liwanag eh. Uy!